वेलकम टू जीनत वर्ल्ड। और आज की हमारी डिश है छोले। छोले सबके बहुत फेवरेट होते हैं और इसको हर एज ग्रुप के लोग खाना पसंद करते हैं। लेकिन आज मैं आपको इसके हेल्थ बेनिफिट भी बताती हूँ। छोले में बहुत अच्छी मात्रा में प्रोटीन होता है, फाइबर होता है एंड प्रोटीन इसमें जो होता है वो प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन होता है। सो दोज पीपल हु आर वेजिटेरियन शुड डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड chickpeas in their diet because it's a very good source of protein, and protein, as you know, it's a very important nutrient for bodybuilding and it's very helpful for bone health. And the fiber, if you eat chickpeas, it also helps in weight management because it create a sense of fullness and it will going to avoid you to eat all the junk food. Chickpeas is also a good source of several minerals like magnesium and potassium, which helps to reduce heart disease and also lower the risk of cancer. And chickpeas had a very high content of vitamin B, which is responsible for reducing breast and lung cancer. Let's get started with the dish. I have taken 2 cups chickpeas which I have soaked overnight, and I have added bay leaves, cinnamon stick, 2 tea bags, salt according to your taste. Tea bags give a very good flavor, add a very good flavor in chole. I have added turmeric powder, and then I'm going to boil all these things. Now put some water and close the lid of pressure cooker. Allow it to cook for at least 4 or 5 whistles. And as you can see, the chole is almost done. If you press it, it will easily break it. And then I am going to remove the tea bags, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and I am going to prepare the masala. The masala, I have taken onion, green chilies, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and make it a fine paste. Then I have taken iron wok, and in that I have put some oil. As you can see, I have not taken any fancy non-stick pan or aluminium wok, but instead of that I have taken iron wok because it have a lot of health benefit. And if you cook your food in iron vessel, some small amount of iron is absorbed into your food, and it's very good for people who are suffering from anemia. And it's chemical free. The food cooked in iron is healthy, nutritious, and people who are suffering from joint pain, knee pain, and who have gas problem, acidity problem, if they eat food that is cooked in iron vessel, they will get relief from all these problems. And the quality of our iron that is absorbed while cooking in iron vessel is much better than what iron supplement people take. It is very good for people who are suffering from anemia. And now let's get back to our dish. I have added some cumin seed when the oil was little hot, and then I have added ginger, garlic, green chili and tomato paste into the oil and allow it to cook further. Now the other ingredients I am going to include in the masala is yogurt, salt, coriander powder, garam masala and chole masala. And don't forget that you have already added salt while boiling chole, and will cook until the oil separates the pan. And once the oil separates the pan, we'll add masala into the boiled chole. It's very important that masala should be properly cooked and should separates the oil, otherwise the flavor will not release. And once the masala is done, I have added masala into the boiled chole and allow it to cook further for 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets easily mixed up with boiled chole and all the masala flavor gets into the chole. And now serve the chole with red onions, garnish with coriander leaves and serve it bhature. Your delicious, healthy, nutritious chole bhature is ready.